Today I'm going to talk about meal prep. I know many of you are so busy with jobs, and when you come home tired or work from home, you don't want to spend too much time in kitchen. And so do I. Having some prepared dishes releases us from the pressure to make healthy meals every day from scratch. It takes only 30 minutes to make some dishes, and you can get more than just meal prep. Today I will introduce 8 different kinds of meal prep that you can make into various kinds of dishes. I hope you like it. First, let's prepare the vegetables before cooking. Let's start with spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals, so I want to have it in my diet because of its nutritional value. You can take the vitamins and minerals from the spinach even if you take it small amount. This is our way to prepare spinach. Cut off the root and it has dirt inside, so shave off the dirty part, score it crisscross and then wash it. Then wash the leafy part. Soak in water for a while so the dirt will release and it comes out so easily. Next, we are going to prepare broccoli. Cut into small bite-sized pieces like this. Keep the stem for other dishes. You can make vegetable broth or cut into thin strips and stir fry. I don't use it for now, but you can keep it for more than a week, so just keep it in the fridge. The next one is the red bell pepper. This is loaded with vitamin C and the color is vibrant, so it will brighten up your dishes if you sprinkle on top of salad or put it into the bento lunchbox. I like to use mandarin to save time and make it so thin. Cut into 2, remove the seeds and slice into the thin strips using mandarin. Set aside. Cut the flat beans diagonally. I don't know how to call it in your country, but we call it flat beans. You can use any green beans you can find in your grocery store. Cut diagonally into the easy-to-eat size and set aside. Cut off the stem from the shimeji mushroom. These are the vegetables we will cook later. Now let's prepare uncooked vegetables. Cut the cucumber into thin slices using a mandarin. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and set aside until the other dishes are cooked. You can make a delicious vinegary side dish with this salted and squeezed cucumber. You can make it with the daikon radish or carrot or even cabbage. Next, carrot. I'm using a peeler-like utensil to shred. The center part cut into strips using your knife so you can make miso soup. Now let's start cooking. Bring water to boil in a frying pan. Start cooking on the stem, cook them 20 to 30 seconds, flip it over and cook another 20 to 30 seconds. And soak entire spinach in boiling water and cook until just done for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can tell the spinach is cooked when you scratch the stem and your nail feels a little bit of resistance is good to go. I don't want to overcook my spinach, so my cooking time is about 3 minutes. Release in the cold water to stop cooking and gently squeeze out the water. Cut into bite size and transfer to an airtight container. For the broccoli, put 1 teaspoon of minced garlic marinated in the olive oil, or you can use just the olive oil. Cook on medium-low heat until bubbling and fragrant. Add broccoli and 2 tablespoons of water and sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take off the lid and evaporate excess moisture. Transfer to an airtight container, and that's your broccoli olio. When you cook broccoli, if you just blanched, it's not going to be attractive dishes, but if you add a little bit of garlic and salt, that is going to be a delicious side dish as is. For red bell pepper, drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil and put the sliced red bell pepper. It's cooked so fast, so it's going to take 1 minute until wilted. Season with herb salt and garlic powder or anything you want. You can use any flavor salt of your choice. I like to add just a little bit of garlic powder to lift the flavor, but I don't want my mouth smell like garlic, so keep it just a little bit. Kids don't like to eat vegetables so much, but the garlic makes it so delicious, and the kids will love to eat. And next, Shimeji mushroom. Before cooking, put it in a frying pan and drizzle 1 teaspoon of Shio Koji, the Japanese fermented seasonings. It's made of salt and koji mold, tastes like a mother of miso. If you don't have it, replace it with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of mirin. Start cooking on low and cover and cook for 3 minutes. It's easy to burn, so cook on low heat. Shimeji mushroom is wilted, transfer to an airtight container. For the flat beans, before cooking, put it in a frying pan and add 3 tablespoons of water and half a tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin. Cover and cook until almost all of the liquid is gone for about 7 to 8 minutes. After cooking, turn the heat off and sprinkle a handful of katsuobushi. This adds the dashi flavor and gently covers the vegetables and makes it so flavorful. And also you can take the protein from the katsuobushi. And the cooking is done, and let's see the salted cucumber and daikon radish. Squeeze out as much as the moisture and then transfer to the container. Before doing this, you should really wash your hands clean. And do the same to the daikon. Drizzle some sushi vinegar over it, and I have yuzu peel today. Shave it and shred it and mix. It adds the comfortable and beautiful aroma. If you buy this yuzu daikon at the department store, it's going to cost you $5 a bag, so you can save your money. You can see how to make the sushi vinegar in my former videos, so please check that out. Having sushi vinegar in your refrigerator keeps you on track with the Japanese cooking. Alright, that's it for today. You can keep them in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. The vinegared yuzu daikon can be stored for 1 week to 10 days. You can do this meal prep once or twice a week. Actually, I do this half of it, 3 or 4 dishes twice a week. If your family is big, you can double or triple the recipe. And here is the hint to make a vinegary side dish to keep your blood sugar level lower. Put your dried wakame seaweed in a bowl and soak in cold water for about 5 minutes. Squeeze out the moisture and pour boiling water to rehydrate. Drain and cover with the cold water again, and if you want to make it crunchy in the texture, add ice cubes to quench. Squeeze out the moisture and transfer to a dish, alternate the squeezed cucumber. You can serve it as it is, or you can use other seaweed called mozuku. Drizzle a small amount of sushi vinegar and that's it. Very easy sunomono is ready. Having a bottle of sushi vinegar is so convenient. You will see more dishes using a sushi vinegar in the future video. Making delicious food with a short preparation time makes me happy. I hope this is helpful for you. And if you are tired and you don't have much energy, but you can still make healthy food for you. Just one small side dish like this makes you much healthier and makes you happier. In the following video, I will show you how to cook a perfect rice every time you cook. And I will talk to you about how to eat rice and other carbs not to make you fat. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.